As a little girl, I was always taught that everyone is put on this earth with a purpose. I was raised to put others first and take care of others before taking care of myself. I had a great childhood filled with love and laughter that has shaped me into who I am today. I became a psychology major in order to help others and to help them maintain their well-being. This has influenced my IACT purpose statement and what I bring to class each session.
Growing up, my parents were always very helpful, very supportive, so they instilled in my brother and two sisters and I that we needed to give back to others, treat people how you want to be treated. I'm a volunteer EMT on campus for UD EMS, responding to any of calls within the University of Dayton boundaries. They range from anything from a nosebleed to a suspected heart attack. I started that as a sophomore. It's definitely been a highlight of my college career.
The IACT process really allows me to expand on a social and global scale rather than by just studying molecules and chemicals. I can really take that knowledge and apply it to the rest of the world. My current jobs and roles on campus involve being part of the University of Dayton Emergency Medical Services and also working in the research lab of Dr. Congo Singh and participating in the IACT Certificate program. So I'm working alongside Christa, Brittany, and we are developing a restorative framework in order to take a holistic approach on addiction.
The certificate program has taught me that there is no one correct way of solving a problem. It has taught me to think and perceive a situation differently.
Viewing problems through other people's eyes, putting yourself in their position first. My experience here at ArtStreet has definitely shown me how to do that. It's always about this humanity-centered approach.